What's up, guys? Just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of these movement blue light glasses that I just got. Yeah, I don't know much about blue light glasses. I'm not an expert, but I do know that they help prevent all those harmful, I guess, lights from getting into your eyes and causing all sorts of issues, migraines, headaches, melatonin production, sleep issues, etc. The list goes on. You can do your own research. Again, I'm not an expert, but wanted to go ahead and try some out and see if they work. And I heard about Movement brand, the watches, and that they started making these blue light glasses. So figured, hey, why not? Watches are really good quality, so I would assume that their glasses are too. So yeah, let's start the unboxing. As you see, it comes in a really nice box, black box, really heavy duty. Not gonna get damaged inside this thing. First thing you notice when you open the box is it's in a case of its own. You know, super clean. You know, even has the Movement logo etched in there. It's all about those subtle touches, right? And it's a magnetic case, so it does close on. As soon as you open it, you see the glasses. And these are the Reveler Everscroll glasses, and they're the medium width, I believe. But yeah, these are the glasses right here, and inside, I guess they have this covering to protect the frame. And then comes with its own cool little what do you call it? The frame cleaner, little towelette. Also talking about those subtle touches, has the Movement logo. So that's super cool, super dope. And inside the box is just some little flyers, advertising, etc. So anyways, the glasses, you can definitely see the blue hue inside the lens. Super heavy duty feeling. The way they open, I mean, you can definitely tell these aren't gonna flop all over the place. And then engraved on the side is the Movement logo metal, which is super cool, super dope. Join the Movement on the inside right here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, Reveler Slim right there. So let's go ahead. I'm going to turn this camera around and then I'll show it on my face. I'm going to try on these glasses. Can't really see how they look on me, but y'all let me know. You know, they definitely feel heavy duty. They definitely feel tight on the head, and not super tight, but they feel like they're gonna stay. They're not gonna move around. You can tell moving my face, and they're not moving, they're not budging, which is good because I definitely don't want glasses that are flinging all over the place. But yeah, they feel really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear them for, I don't know, a week or two, and then do a quick little update if y'all want, just to let y'all know as far as the side effects and all that, how it's been benefiting me, if at all. So yeah, guys, let me know if y'all have any questions. Post them underneath, and I'll try to get back to you. Okay, peace.